So we're gonna do test 3 now. Let's create this network. Let's make the nodes and the edges. After we're done with that, let's set the inputs. Be careful while setting the inputs, because once it's set, we can't unset it. There's no command to unset it. So after that, what we do is we rename the nodes. This becomes main, this becomes on, this becomes off, this becomes out, and this becomes bias. Yes, after that we're done. We're gonna set all the edge property of delay to 1, because the default is 15 according to the empty net. So 1, everything becomes 1. Nice. And we want the weight of this edge to be -1, so the weight of this edge becomes -1. And after we've done that, we also want to have this main self loop delay to be 2, so let's change that delay to be 2. After we've done that, our network is complete. Let's download it. After we've downloaded, let's go to home. Let's create again sparse spikes, and the first thing we do is at node 1, which is the main node, we want to give it a spike at time 0, a spike of 1. And at node 2, node 2, we want to give it a spike of at time 10, we want to give it a spike of 1. So node 2 is on node, so yeah. At node 3, we want to give it a spike of 1 at time 20. Node 3 is off node, so we want to run this for 30 time steps, and let's download that. After that, let's go back to home, and we want to visualize the output. Let's choose the network file and the spike file, and let's process it. Again, we don't need the zip file, we only need the spikes. So there's the time steps, the waveform for 30 time steps. So what happens here? Let's see. The first thing we do is we spike main. Once main is spiked, there is a let's put the network side to side. So once main is spiked, only after a delay of 2 does main get spiked again. So we can see there's some kind of alternate pattern going on here: spike, spike, no spike, spike, no spike, and so on. And obviously whenever main spikes, out also spikes. So the out wave form is basically the main waveform which is shifted by 1 time step. And after that, we at time step 10, we spike on, and immediately after on is spiked, this part of main is spiked. So there's 2 alternate main spiking happening at the same time, and because they are alternate and they fill in each other's gap, it seems like main actually keeps on spiking until obviously after time 20 time steps, off is spiked, and immediately after off is spiked, one of the alternate spikes of main is removed. So one of the spikes, so what happens is at a certain time, main gets the charge of 0, because off cancels it out, and because of that, only an alternate spike keeps on happening in main. And yeah, that's it. Because of the alternate spike in main, there's also an alternate spike in out, while bias keeps on spiking because of course, the self loop. And yeah, that's it.